Hello friends, today in subject math chapter 5 arithmetic progression, we will see exercise 5.3 question 4 to 10. So the question number 4 is there for AP 9, 17 and 25. How many terms will give sum equals to 636. So now we are given one AP which has the terms 9, 17, 25. Sum of its terms addition we take, that we get the 636. So how many terms are added, that is the asked in the question. So how many terms means number of terms and we have to find. For that, from the AP we get the detail. A equals to 9 and D equals to 17 minus 9, that is 8. And so Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we submit the value. Then n we don't know. Sn 636, n value we don't know. So as it is 2a 2 into 9 plus n minus 1, d will be 8. And so here 636 equals to n by 2, 2 nines are 18 plus n minus 1 into 8. Now we simplify this part, then 636 n by 2, 18 plus 8n minus 8. And so it will be 636 equals to n by 2, 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n. So 10 plus 8n both are divisible by 2, so we divide it. And 636 equals to n 5 plus 4n. So we multiply inside, then it will be 636 equals to 5n plus 4n square. And so we have the equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. So we have the equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636. So here prime factor we have to do splitting method. Then parts we are getting 636 into 4, parts we are getting the 53 into 48. And so we can write that 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 66 equals to 0. And so here 4n square and 53n, and we take out common. So 4n plus 53. Now here 4n plus 53, so 12 for the 48, so minus 12 we take out common. Then again 4n plus 53 equals to 0. So n minus 12 into 4n plus 53 equals to 0. So two terms multiplication is 0, so one of them is 0, so n minus 12 equals to 0, or 4n plus 53 equals to 0. So n equals to 12, or n equals to minus 53 by 4. So n is the term number, and term number is always positive natural number. So n equals to minus 53 by 4 not possible, and so n equals to 12. Now we are given question number 5, that the first term of AP is 5, means A equals to 5 given. The last term is 45, means AN is given 45, and the sum is 400, means SN is given 400. Then find the number of terms, means n we have to find out, and the common difference d we have to find out. So Sn is given, so when Sn first term and last term are given, so when first term and last term are there, Sn formula is n by 2 a plus an or a plus al. So Sn 400 equals to n by 2, a means 5 and an means 45. So n equals to 400 into 2 and 45 plus 5, that is 50, will come down. So 50 8s are 400 and so 8 2s are 16, so there are 16 terms. Now an equals to 45 for the common difference. Then a plus n minus 1d equals to 45. Now a value is the 5, n value is 16, so 16 minus 1, 15d equals to 45. So 15d equals to 45 minus 5, 40, and so d equals to 40 divided 15. We divide by 5, and 5 8s are, 5 3s are, so it is 8 by 3. Now we have the sixth question, the first and last term. The first term is 17 and the last term is 350. The common difference is 9. D equals to 9. Then how many terms are there? So n we have to find out how many terms are there. So and what is their sum? So Sn we have to find out. So here a is given, a means first term 17 is given, an last term 350 is given, and difference is given 9. So how many terms means n we have to find out, and Sn means total sum of the all the terms. So here nth term formula we have a plus n minus 1 into d. Now nth term is given 350, a is given 70 plus n minus 1, d is given 9. So n minus 1 into 9 equals to 350 minus 70. So 350 minus 17 we do, it will be 333. So which divide by 9, and 333 divided 9, and so 9 divided by 27, 6, 3, 9, 7. So n minus 1 equals to 37, so minus 1 will go other side, so n equals to 38. Now total 38 terms are there. So sum of 38 terms, so S38 equals to 38 by 2. 2a means 2 into 70 plus n minus 1, so 38 minus 1 into 9. And so it will be 19, 34 and 38 minus 1, 37 into 9. So 9 7 is 63. Here is 6. 3 9 is 27 and 6. 33. And so it is 333. So we add them, and 34, 4 and 3 7, 336 and 3 into 90. And so 366, sorry 367 into 19 we do, and 3670 and 7 is 63, carry 6, 54 and 660, carry 6, 27 and 6, 33. So 3, 7, 9, 6, and so its addition will be 6, 9, 7, 3. Now we have the question number 7. Then find the sum of first 22 terms. So as 22 we have to calculate of an AP in which d equals to 7 and 22nd terms. So A22 is 149. So here 22nd term is given 149, difference is given 0, and in 22 terms sum we want to find out. So any formula we want to use, then we want A first term and D. So A is not given, so first we will find out using these two values the first term A. So A22. So An formula is A plus n minus 1D. So A22 formula will be A plus 22 minus 1, that is 21D. And so we submit here. So 149 equals to A. We have to find out 21 into 7. So 21 7 is 147. And so A equals to 149 minus 147. That is 2. So A we got. Now S22 we want. So we have first term, last term and n terms number. So n by 2, A plus an formula. So n by 2, 22 by 2. A means we have calculated, that is 2, and an is the 149. So we divide 2 11s. So 11 and 149 plus 2, that is 151. So we multiply it, 151 into 11, then 1510 and 151. So 1661, and so its addition will be 1661. Now we have the question number 8. The sum of first 51 term of an AP. So S51 we have to find out whose second term. So A2 is given 40 and third term A3 is given 20. So here instead of AP, two terms of the AP is given, that is the second term A2 and third term A3. So A2 is given 14, A3 is given 18, and say that find the 51 terms. So if we want to find the sum, we want A and D. So directly it is not given, so using these two terms we will find out A and D. So for that A2, so A plus 2 minus 1 means D equals to 14, and A3 equals to A plus 3 minus 1, that is 2, D equals to 18. And so here equation 1 and equation 2 are there. So to eliminate A, we subtract both the equations. So by subtracting 1 and 2, we get A plus D equals to 40, A plus 2D equals to 8. So minus minus minus, A cancel, minus D equals to minus 4. So D equals to 4. Now D equals to 4. So A we want. So A plus D equals to given 14. So A plus 4 equals to 40, and so A equals to 14 minus 4, A equals to 10. So we get the A and D. So S51 easily we can find out. S51 is equals to 51 by 2. 2A is 2 into 10 plus n minus 1. So 51 minus 1. D means 4, and so it will be 51 by 2. 2 10s are 20, 51 minus 1 50, 50 4s are 200, and so it will be 51 by 2 into 220. We simplify by 2, then 110, and so 51 into 1 we do, then 510, 51, so 165, so it is 561, 0. Now question number 9 is given. If the sum of first 7 terms, so S7 is given 49, and that of the 17th term is 289, so S17 is given 289. Then find the sum of n terms, so Sn we have to find out. Now here 7 terms addition is given 49, 17 terms addition is given 289, and Sn we want to find out. So we want to find out Sn. Then first term and their common difference d we want. So using these two terms we will find out first term and common difference d. For that Sn formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1b. So S7 we can write 7 by 2 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, and so S7 value is given 49. This 7 by 2 will come this side, so 2 by 7 equals 2a plus 6d. So 7 7s are, and so 14 equals to 2a plus 6d. So all the terms are divisible by 2. So we divide by 2, then 7 equals to a plus 3d. Now same way S17 using we can find out other. So S17 will be 17 by 2 2a plus 17 minus 1d. And so we can write down 17 by 2, sorry, 289 multiplied 2 by 70 equals to 2a plus 16d. So here 17 17s are, so 34 equals to 2a plus 16d. So 34 divided by 2 17, 2a divided by 2 a, and 16d divided by 2, so 80. So now again we have two equations. So to eliminate a we subtract. So subtract both the equations. Then we get a plus 8d minus a plus 3d equals to 17 minus 7. So a cancel, 8 minus 3d, 5d equals to 10. So d equals to 2. Now d equals to 2. Submitting 7 equals to a plus 3d. Then 7 equals to a plus 3 into 2, that is 6. So a equals to 1. And so Sn we calculate. Sn equals to n by 2 a 2a plus n minus 1d. Now in the n only we want answer, so n by 2 as it is 2 into a1 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 2. So n by 2 2 plus 2n minus 2, so 2 to cancel, so 2n square by 2, and so 2 to cancel, so answer is n square. Now we have the question 10, that nth term of AP is given 3 plus 4n. Then find the sum of first 15 terms. So S15 we have to find out. So for sum, we know that Sn equals to n by 2 a plus an. So 15 term S15 we want to find out, that 15 by 2 a plus a15. So we want 15 term a. So a means the first term. So first term means a1 equals to 3 plus 4 into 1. So 3 plus 4 7, and a15 means 3 plus 4 into 15. So 3 plus 60, that is 63. And so S15 we have 15 by 2 7 plus 63, that is 15 by 2 into 70. 70 will simplify 35, and so 35 into 15 we do. Then we have 350 and 5 by 25, 2, 5 to the 15 and 2, 17. And so it is 5, 7, 5, 12, carry 1, 3, 1, 9, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. His answer is 5, 5. Now the second question, the same question is when a equals to 9 minus 5 and then find s15. So again, s15 equals to 15 by 2, a plus a15. So a we calculate, then a1 equals to 9 minus 5 into 1. So 9 minus 5, that is 4. And a15 we calculate, that a 9 minus 5 into 15. So 9 minus 15 5 is 75. So it is minus 66. And so here we write that 15 by 2, 4 minus 66. So 15 by 2, 4 minus 66, that is minus 62. 2 will simplify 31. And so 31 15 that we do. Then 3 1 0, 5 and 15. So 5 6 4 minus 4 6 5